In the heart of San Jose, California, stands a house unlike any other. The Winchester Mystery House is a sprawling, architectural maze of twisting hallways, staircases leading to nowhere, doors opening into walls, and secret passageways. It spans 24,000 square feet, with 160 rooms, 10,000 windows, 2,000 doors, and countless oddities. But beyond its unusual design lies a chilling story, one of grief, superstition, and a belief in the supernatural. The tale begins with Sarah Winchester, the widow of William Wirt Winchester, heir to the Winchester Repeating Arms Company. Following the deaths of her infant daughter and husband, Sarah was devastated. Legend has it that she sought comfort from a spiritual medium who delivered an unsettling message. Sarah was cursed, haunted by the spirits of those killed by the infamous Winchester rifles. The medium warned her that these restless souls demanded retribution and advised her to build a house, one that would never be completed. As long as construction continued, she would be safe. In 1884, Sarah moved to California and purchased a modest 8-room farmhouse. Over the next 38 years, she transformed it into an architectural enigma, with constant, round-the-clock construction. Carpenters worked tirelessly, adding room after room, often without any apparent logic. The house grew into a labyrinth designed, some say, to confuse the vengeful spirits. Staircases end abruptly, windows are placed on interior walls, and doors lead to sheer drops outside. Was this elaborate design a result of grief-stricken paranoia, or was Sarah truly communicating with the other side? Many believe the house itself holds supernatural energy. Workers and visitors have reported hearing disembodied whispers, footsteps in empty hallways, and seeing shadowy figures. The most famous is Clyde, a ghostly apparition of a handyman spotted repairing the furnace or pushing a wheelbarrow. Others have experienced sudden drops in temperature, eerie feelings of being watched, and objects moving on their own. Could these be the spirits Sarah feared, still lingering in the halls she built for them? Yet skeptics argue that the house's bizarre layout can be explained by Sarah's fascination with architectural innovation and her vast fortune, which allowed her to experiment without limits. She was known to be an intelligent, private woman, perhaps more misunderstood than haunted. However, the questions persist: why the obsession with continuous building, and why the strange design choices? Even after Sarah's death in 1922, no definitive answers were found. Her will made no mention of her motivations, leaving room for speculation and mystery. Today, the Winchester Mystery House is a National Historic Landmark and a popular tourist attraction. Visitors from around the world come to explore its winding corridors and hear its ghostly tales. Paranormal investigators have spent nights in the house, hoping to capture evidence of the supernatural. Some claim success, presenting recordings of ghostly voices and unexplained phenomena. Others leave bewildered, unable to explain the house's eerie atmosphere but convinced something is there. Sarah Winchester's legacy is a house built from tragedy, fear, and perhaps a touch of madness. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the Winchester Mystery House remains one of the most fascinating architectural wonders and one of the most enduring legends of the paranormal world. It stands as a testament to one woman's attempt to find peace in the face of unimaginable grief or to escape the clutches of something far more sinister. If the story of the Winchester Mystery House has sent chills down your spine, don't forget to subscribe for more haunting tales and unsolved mysteries. Like this video, share it with friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more journeys into the unexplained.